In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix no sound or audio output on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve this issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be make sure your speakers are turned on, as well as the audio. If you're having manual speakers, make sure they're turned up as well. Check your sound down in your system tray and make sure that's turned up as well. And you can also open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, check them back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select system on the left panel and then select sound over here on the right. And then if you scroll down underneath advanced, select troubleshoot common sound problems, select output devices, and then walk through the on-screen directions as it would appear on the screen. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.